This is the old store here that we're in the process of replacing part of the roof so the back side is opened. This is the old Optimus store. It used to be a post office years ago. As the 1955 is what I found, was when the post office closed down here and moved to another town on the other side of the river. Anyways, this is the first original building. I don't know if this is the original post office. Oops. Sorry about that. Or if this was just a building that it later moved to, because someone in the community had told me that there was another building, but something had happened to it, and so this one became the post office. But anyways, this building was built sometime in the 1800s, and then there was an addition added to it sometime in the 30s or the 40s. And you can tell on the inside because of the walls, the way the walls are, is different. There was 2x4 walls added to it, but the original walls were not 2x4. They were plank wood on top of plank wood on top of plank wood, which is quite interesting. And it's all rough cut oak. Back in the day, they didn't have, the people would mill their own lumber. They didn't have Home Depot. And so, anyways, this old building, it's needing some love. But it's got a lot of history. And it's a really cool place, and I like it. And we are turning this one into, I guess, we're going to use it for the sheep in a barn. But I'm going to do something with the upstairs because it has a whole separate floor on this top section up here. It's like a little apartment up here. But right now it is piled with stuff that needs to be removed and gotten rid of. We're going to use this for our sheep station for now. We have this big barn here, and my husband's going to use this for a garage for something. It's huge, way bigger, but that's okay. I don't need anything that big. This right here works just fine for our needs. So you see my girls are out there. I just let them out a few minutes ago. They were locked up for the snowstorm in their little area inside of there. Inside of that little room right there. There's a little stall in there. They were in there for the snowstorm. And now that it's finished snowing, I let them out so that they can walk around and check out all the beautiful white. Okay. There's our fire station. It's actually not our fire station, but it's the National Forest fire station. And everything here, oh, sorry, it's all snowy white. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And there, up there, is the mountain. That's the peak of the mountain there. And that's where we we called this place Mount Moriah. So we're going to call that mountain Mount Moriah. And our property goes up that way. It's really pretty up that way. It's got a lot of rocks and a little peak up there. Anyways, nice and beautiful out here today. It's quiet. I love the sound of no sound. Anyways, we'll talk later. Have a good one.